Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download NOX Player on your PC or laptop, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download NOX Player on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of NOX Player, since that's where we will download the app, so just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And now that you're on the official website of NOX Player, let me now show you how to download the app here. So to do that, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download button right here. Just go and click it. And after clicking it, the installer file for your NOX Player will now start downloading, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just need to click the install button. And after that, your NOX Player will now start installing, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your NOX Player installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now start using it to play mobile games on your desktop. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.